was very late. I was like...
So to start now, it's a plus. Dandy. Can I also get the a grande eggnog latte?
Okay.
And a grande iced gingerbread chai, please.
Of course, anything else?
Yeah, the bacon gouda and egg sandwich, please.
Bacon gouda sandwich, of course. Is that all?
That's it.
28, 24, 1.
Thank you. All right, so the elves bought the kids yesterday Starbucks. Literally, if you get it, star, you know, like the shapes or stars. I got it, maybe they don't. And then they just got some bucks to use here at Starbucks this morning. So the other day they came up with the thing, the eggnog latte. So I'm gonna give that a try this morning. I really feel like I need some caffeine in order to go deal with this one kid again. If I don't know, it's like he has 2 good days, and then by the 3rd day, it's just like blah. All right, so I did not realize that it came iced until I picked up Caitlin's. Literally, that eggnog iced latte looks so good. But I got mine hot, which is cool because I said that I wanted to try it hot and I wanted to try it cold. So let's try it, even though it's scorching hot. Okay. Yeah, I like it hot. I can definitely taste the eggnog. I just think that I would have rather probably had it iced, which is cool. I got the gingerbread iced chai, and then I got the bacon gouda and egg sandwich. So I'm gonna get ready to head into work, but the sunrise is actually really beautiful from where I'm sitting at. All right, y'all. I'm gonna get ready to go get Jimmy John's. I want a chicken Caesar wrap. I'm starving. And it's cold. It's supposed to snow tomorrow. We'll see. We'll see. Let's see what they give us as far as coming in 2 hours late or the whole day. All right, y'all. I'm off. I'm heading home. I'm going home to start laundry for sure because it's Thursday and I just need to. So once I start laundry, I'm also going to prep up my chicken empanadas. I might just, run them over to my grandmother's house, fry real quick, and head back home. They've already put down stuff on the roads, which I don't know. I don't know if we're going to have school tomorrow. I don't know if it's going to be a 2-hour delay. I don't know what they're going to do. I just know that I'm not ready for any of this, honestly. So I will see you guys at home. All right, so Charles washed the dishes this morning, and I'm just gonna put them away. I think what I really want to do is wash my hair, so I probably will not go over there. I think what I'm going to do is just prep up these chicken empanadas and then freeze them, because we have plenty of fries. We have plenty of chicken nuggets, chicken tenders, and things like that I can make for dinner tonight in the air fryer instead of going out, especially because, you never know what the weather beholds. I really have a strong feeling that we will be going to school tomorrow. Like, it is what it is. I am shocked that, the winter weather has started early, because normally last year it didn't start until like January. So to start now, it's a plus. I have some clothes that I need to put away, and I also need to see what the elves got going on. All right, I just finished the rest of my chicken Caesar wrap from Jimmy John's. It's actually the bomb. Literally tastes like a salad in a wrap, but their wrap is better. And then they do have the holiday magic cookie that has M&Ms in it. Looks like it has like some sugar pieces, sprinkles, the M&Ms, and it's just a sugar cookie. So I am going to have that as a little snack. They still haven't said anything about tomorrow. Not that I'm worried about it either way. I just want to, know before having to wake up in the morning. But yeah, regardless of whatever, I am going to sit back and relax, get ready to get my house together. Cam wants to have some company. And yeah, honestly, I'm going through and writing a list of movies that I want to watch for the winter and Christmas, weeks to come. So I've already did Netflix, and now I'm about to do Disney Plus, and I'll share this at the end of the video. So if you want some good movies, stay tuned. A blanket somewhere. I literally just bought this one for $10 from Aldi. Little cute Kirkton house. This is a velvet plush Serpa throw, and clearly forgot all about it. This is just the one I'm gonna throw back here on the bed because, like I said, because I forgot. So this just is gonna go at the foot of our bed, and the plaid one, I'm just gonna give that one back to the closet because clearly it ends up on the floor anyway because of the fact that we just, accidentally shove it with our feet. But if we ever, are really cold at night or something, or if it gets really hot and just decides to sleep with the blanket, it's at the foot of the bed. Why not? So I got my cleaning done that I normally do on Thursdays. Hallelujah. They just sent out a message saying that we'd be on a 2-hour delay tomorrow. Now, 2-hour delays, I don't like because it just feels like, go, go, go. And that's normally how my Mondays are. There's no other days where I feel like it's go, go, go. So I'll put these dishes away since he washed them this morning and finish writing my list. Now, I'm done with my list for Netflix, Hulu, and the Disney Plus because I have Hulu and Disney together. Now I'm writing down the ones that you guys can watch on Prime, and of course including the price in case you don't have these on DVD. All right. So I got my cleaning done that I normally do on Thursdays. Hallelujah. They just sent out a message saying that we'd be on a 2-hour delay tomorrow. Now, 2-hour delays, I don't like, because it just feels like, you know, go, go, go. And that's normally how my Mondays are. There's no other days where I feel like it's go, go, go. So I'll put these dishes away since he washed them this morning and finish writing my list. Now, I'm done with my list for Netflix, Hulu, and the Disney Plus because I have Hulu and Disney together. Now I'm writing down the ones that you guys can watch on Prime, and of course including the price in case you don't have these on DVD. So for dinner, I decided to do chicken tenders, spicy chicken tenders, and fries. Me and Charles decided to watch the National Lampoon's Christmas. Here is the list of movies that you guys should watch and what platform they are on. On Netflix, you guys could watch Meet Me Next Christmas, The Best Christmas Ever, The Holiday Calendar, No Sleep Till Christmas, The Noel Diary, Let It Snow, Holiday Rush, Jingle Jangle, A Medea's Christmas, A Elf Story, The Snow Sister, Champagne Problems. Over on Disney and Hulu, if you have that bundle, you guys could do like all the Home Alones, Christmas Carol, Ice Age, Christmas Again, the Santa Claus movie series, Dashing Through the Snow, Frozen 1 and 2. And on Prime, you guys got The Grinch, you got Christmas with the Cranks, and you also have plenty more.